Today I'm going to show you how to install and set up the new Cloudflare app step by step so you can get it running correctly on your device in just a few minutes. Whether you want full VPN style protection, privacy focused DNS only mode, or the best option for faster browsing, I'll walk you through the exact setup so you know what to click and which mode to choose. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next step-by-step tutorial. First, you need to download the correct version of the Cloudflare app. Open your browser and go to the official Cloudflare One client download page, or visit the one.one.one.one website to get started. Make sure you choose the right installer for your device. If you're on Windows, download the .msi file. If you're using a Mac, download the .pkg file. And if you're on mobile, look for the Cloudflare One agent in your app store. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and run it. If you're on Windows, you may see a prompt asking if you want to run the file. Go ahead and select Run. After that, wait for the installer to load and begin configuring the app on your device. You may see a progress bar, and that is completely normal. Let it continue until the installation is fully complete. After the app finishes configuring itself, it should launch automatically. At this point, Cloudflare will ask you to choose between different app experiences. You'll usually see an option for private browsing, which is the version formerly known as the Warp standalone app, and another option for Cloudflare One client. For this setup, choose the private version. Next, accept the terms. Select Agree to Terms and continue so you can move on to the mode selection screen. This part is important because this is where you decide how Cloudflare will protect and route your connection. Now let's go through the modes so you can choose the right one for your needs. The first option is Traffic and DNS using UDP. This is the full security mode, similar to a VPN. It encrypts everything including browsing, games, and apps. This is the best option if you want the strongest protection or if you want to take advantage of Warp plus premium speeds. The second option is DNS only using HTTPS. This is the privacy only mode. It helps stop your internet provider from tracking the websites you visit, and it can be useful if you want a lightweight setup or need help bypassing strict blocks. The third option is DNS only using TLS. This is also a privacy only mode, and it works similarly to HTTPS. The difference is that it's optimized more for home networks, but it can be easier to block on public Wi-Fi. So which one should you choose? If you're using Cloudflare for daily browsing, better security, or Warp Plus speeds, select Traffic and DNS, UDP, and then click Connect. That gives you the most complete protection and the smoothest all-around experience. If you notice that websites are loading too slowly, or you want a lighter privacy-focused setup, switch to DNS only, HTTPS. That can be a better option if you mainly care about DNS privacy without encrypting every bit of traffic. Once you've selected your mode, click Connect and allow the app to finish setting up the connection. After that, you should see Cloudflare active and ready to use. At this point, your device is protected based on the mode you selected, and you can start browsing with your new setup in place. If you ever want to change modes later, you can open the app again and switch between the available options depending on whether you want full traffic protection or DNS only privacy. That flexibility is one of the best parts of the new Cloudflare app. And that's it. You've now installed and set up the new Cloudflare app successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.